Piolo, and there you are. Once again, guys, this is Piolo, our gentle giant, ang ating Burmese python with a scientific name of Python pipittatus. They are the third largest species things in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weight of nasa 8 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ito ng matigas. Now ma'am, sino kasama natin na ngayong hapon? Family and friends. Saan kayo guys? Let's come. Nandiyan pa kasama ni ma'am. Hello po, mabuhay pa rin guys. Take us beautiful photos for her. Please pang-mind daw ni ma'am sa Facebook. Pang-Instagram. Show your Valentina post. Magpulik ang rumampa yan. Sayo yung sa wow. Sayo yung stage natin dito ha. Alright, and there you go. And ma'am, don't you worry. Non-venomous naman po ang ating ahas. So hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor.